Kuki militants singi makuta thas ke taranipan da leikhidraba ningthokong kha khuna ward number 3 dagi mioi mari gi imung manung singa chief minister 𝗜𝗛𝗏𝗏 ga haktengnana unaduna awaba phongdokpaga lonena imung manung gi awabada mating pangkhre ngasigi chief minister gi khongchet aduda wak samadi Yas Minister Govindas Konthozam, Education Minister T.S. Basanta Kumar, MLA T.H. Santi, MLA T. Ravindro Amadi, MLA S. Premchandra Saru Yaki, Laikhidraba Singi Imung Manung Dalupa Lagtara Taragi Check Mana Singh Pibagalonina, Atay Towa Yaba Tavak Singh Tawani Haina, Chief Minister Nathazaba Piramki, Kongchet Aduda Paumi Singh na Hangba Wahangi Paukumda Kuki Militant Singi Attack Asi, Akan Mamaonda Condemn Tawi, Icham Chamna Laizaba Mio Singda Kut Thaba Asi, Tawhaidaba Tawongni. Thaudok asina apikpa angang sing mapuroiba kainaraba singi matau yengba nuaite Central Force ki mahuta neutral oiba force ama thamnaba thaurang tawgani Fuwala maningda anoba bunker sing sajulakpagi matangda lengakna kari tawgadagi haina hangbada madugi paulaite karigumba leiramlabadi chap chaba thabak lokhatkani haiki tungda thaudok thokfam tana chatuna mafam adugi oiriba fibam sing chief minister na haktengnana yengsinki
Central forces who are taking side and to replace by the neutral force, so that the life and property of the innocent people can be protected. That could not be happen. If that kind of things happen, I will definitely look into and I will destroy. It is very sad living condition of the families, and someone knows their husband. Living families and small children, someone's as well mothers. It is very unfortunate and very sad, and it is highly condemnable, and condemning in the strongest term those who keep militants, the terrorists who are killing the innocent farmers, and the government has already started hunting the terrorists, and we will definitely hunt them down, and we will book as per